Hello everyone, thanks for joining Bow Time with Kerry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick touch up using our Rattle can spray. Thank you and stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, I'm using the Colorize from Color Code for my base coat, and for my clear I am using the 1K HS Clear Gloss. Okay. So to prep my lower unit, I use 320, and to do my blends, I use 1000. Alright guys, all prepped and ready to go, mask up and everything. Remember guys, this is just a quick touch up. The proper way is to go ahead and prime it and do the whole step by step, but this is a quick touch up. Remember to apply your base coat very evenly and stay at least 3 inches away from it so you don't end up running it. By me dusting on the dust coats, it comes out a lot much even, and the metallic flows out very nice and blends very good. Alright guys, that's how it looks when you're done applying your base coat. Everything is even. Let's get ready to clear. When you're applying your clear, don't try to get it shiny in one shot. Go ahead and take your time and put on multiple clears so you get that shine, clear look that you're looking for. Alright guys, the clear, it came out wonderful. It glossy, shines, and flows out great. Alright guys, this is my finished product. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to it, and see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day.